Hello students, this is the continuation of same chapter, A Wonderful Holiday. I already explained you till page number 57. Now I will explain you this, okay. Now spell and read of the words in the box, okay. Pond, pond, ROAT, COAT, coat, SPOT, spot, SUN, stone, BONE, bone, TOP, top, HORN, horn, ROP, Europe, okay. Now you have to spell and read it, okay. Read. You don't have to write, but you have to read it. Write them in the correct column. Here you have to write. You have to write in the correct column, okay. Now this is a short poem written by Louis Sammy, and this is a continuation of same chapter, A Wonderful Holiday. Now I am going to read this poem, okay. In the window of the washroom at our school yesterday, a little bug was crawling. Crawling means moving very softly on the floor in its boggy way. I whispered. Whispered means spoke very softly in its ear to not make any noise, because it was a ladybug and the washroom was for boys. Now I will explain you, okay. Now I will explain you this poem. So here the poet wants to say that yesterday at the school the poet saw a little bug in the window of the washroom, okay, and bug was crawling. I already told you the meaning of crawling, and you can also see here the meaning of crawling, and that buggy was crawling in his little buggy way. That means that ladybug was walking slowly, okay, slowly in the washroom, window of the washroom. I whispered. I already told you the meaning of whispered, spoke very softly, okay. So that time poet whispered in ladybug's ear, and he said to ladybug that do not to make any noise, okay, because that was ladybug, okay, and that washroom was meant only for boys. That washroom was only meant for boys, not for girls, okay. Now understanding oral work. You don't have to write this in your copy, okay. Is the person in the poem a boy or a girl? The person in the poem is a boy, okay. What kind of an insect was on the window? Ladybugs. Ladybugs is an insect was on the window. Ladybug was on the window, okay. Which word has been used to show the movement of the insect? Crawling. Crawling word has been used to show the movement of the insect. Now activity 2, draw and color a ladybug. You have to draw a ladybug. You have to see this picture and you have to draw like this. First you have to draw and you have to color that, okay. Then you have to color that, okay. I already told you that I will send you all exercise through WhatsApp, and you have to do in your notebook.